Hello everyone, this is Preeti Sharma and I'm here up with you guys on Mindzilla channel. We rise by lifting others. So everyone, why am I here today? First of all, let me introduce myself properly. So as I said, I'm Preeti Sharma and I have been giving English spoken classes for almost 9 years, and also I've been giving English tuitions for almost 6 years. So guys, why am I here today? As you all know, JKSSB has announced a vacancy for 4th class. And since this is Corona time, I know how many difficulties are we facing at homes, right? We cannot go anywhere to study properly and there are so less options to go for. So that is why we thought of taking this initiative and start teaching online. So that's the reason why am I here. And everyone, JKSSB 4th class exam, it will be held soon, I guess within 1-2 months. So let's start preparing for it accordingly, so that whenever you attend the exam, you do not find any difficulty in solving the questions. So JKSSB, it consists of 100 marks in total and 20 marks are there for English only. Let's have a quick look at the syllabus, right? So everyone, the syllabus, if you look at it, it's very basic English syllabus. There is nothing difficult, right? And I assure you, if you properly follow the channel, if you just go through the videos, right, and if you practice accordingly, I assure you, you're going to easily fetch the marks, right? See, if we look at the division of subjects, there's GK, there's reasoning, maths, right? Science is there, and plus English. So now, the thing is, it becomes quite difficult to fetch marks in GK because that's mostly factual knowledge, right? And in order to get marks there, you need to remember the appropriate dates, data, exactly, right? But for English, there's not going to be any such issue. So that is why I request you all, plus I advise you that give more attention specifically to English, because English, it's very easy to fetch marks, right? So now everyone, let's look at the syllabus. First of all, if you look at the syllabus, there are some topics from vocabulary, some from grammar, and then we have reading comprehension too, right? For grammar, very basic topics that you have been studying for a long time, they are mentioned. Articles are there, prepositions are there, verbs are there, right? Sentences are there, spellings are there, and then determiners are there, right? And then they have taken 3 topics from your vocabulary: synonyms, antonyms, and spelling. And then we have also reading comprehension. So how are we going to study on this channel now? I will teach you a topic one by one, right? And then we will practice also accordingly. We will solve the old papers too, right? And I will make sure that I clear your doubts also, right everyone? So this is the syllabus that I just discussed with you, and I hope you are ready to learn, right? So everyone, that's all for today then. Thank you very much for having me, and yes, if you feel interested to learn, if you are preparing for JKSSB 4th class, then must subscribe to this channel and share and like this video. Also now Mindzilla is also available in the Play Store, so everyone, download it so that you can watch all the videos, right, related to JKSSB 4th class. And that will be all. If you really like the video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.